Modern cameras are too perfect, too sharp, too clean, too lifeless. People are spending $10,000 on Leica systems just to get the soul back. But here's the truth. You do not need a Leica camera. You just need the right glass. Subscribe to Alt Buzz, because today we are breaking open the hack the camera industry never wanted you to find. Something quietly broke in photography over the last decade, and most people never noticed it happening. Lenses got better, coatings became more sophisticated. Engineers eliminated every flaw: distortion, flare, chromatic aberration, edge softness. All of it gone. And the result was a golden age of technical perfection that somehow produced images that feel completely emotionally empty. Photographers started calling it the clinical digital look, portraits that are technically flawless but feel like they were shot through glass walls. Video footage so sharp and clean it plays like surveillance footage compared to anything captured on film stock from the 1980s. The soul was engineered out. Efficiency replaced character, and a lot of photographers started to feel like something irreplaceable had been lost in the process. That feeling is exactly why so many people looked at what Leica was producing and thought, whatever they are doing, I need some of that. A Leica body runs around $10,000. A single 50mm lens, $4,000 to $5,000. A 35mm, $3,500 or more. A full kit climbs past $15,000 without breaking a sweat. And people still buy them, not just collectors. Working professionals, filmmakers, portrait artists who have held dozens of cameras and still write that check. The conventional wisdom says they are buying prestige, the red dot, the German heritage. But when you actually study the images, something more specific shows up, something you can see. It is micro-contrast, the way Leica glass renders the transition between light and shadow at the finest level of detail, creating images that feel three-dimensional, like you could reach into the frame. It is color rendering, skin tones that feel organic and warm without any color grading applied. And it is bokeh character, out-of-focus areas that look painterly and atmospheric rather than mathematically smooth. These are the things people are actually paying for. And here is the part that changes everything. You do not need a Leica camera body to get any of them. You just need the lens. Most photographers know about the Leica M mount, the legendary rangefinder lenses. And precisely because everyone knows about them, they are expensive. The collector market is active, international, and relentless. But there is a completely different Leica system hiding in plain sight, the Leica R series. From the late 1960s through 2009, Leica produced a full line of professional single-lens reflex lenses built to the exact same German optical standards as everything else they ever made. Same glass elements, same micro-contrast, same color rendering, used by photojournalists and portrait photographers around the world. Then in 2009, Leica discontinued the system entirely. Demand dropped, prices collapsed, and suddenly some of the most beautifully engineered optics in photographic history became available for a fraction of what comparable modern glass costs. The Summicron R 50mm with a maximum aperture of f2, $250 to $800. The Elmarat R 35mm, $350 to $1,000 depending on version. The Elmarat R 135mm, as low as $250 to $400. The Macro Elmarat R 60mm, $400 to $600. Legendary optical performance, professional heritage, for the price of a mid-range zoom. This is the loophole, and it opened up completely because of a revolution in camera design that nobody planned for. Mirrorless cameras changed the rules of lens adaptation forever. When manufacturers stripped out the mirror box and moved the sensor closer to the mount, the flange distance shrank. Suddenly, you could build a simple metal bridge between any old lens mount and any new mirrorless body. No electronics, no firmware, just precision machined metal for $15 to $40. A Leica R to Sony E adapter, a Leica R to Nikon Z, a Leica R to Canon RF. Attach it, Mount the vintage lens, and in seconds you are shooting through German-engineered glass from the 1980s on your modern camera for under $500 total. And the one fear everyone raises, manual focus, is no longer a problem. Focus peaking lights up your subject in real time as you turn the ring. The moment it glows sharp in the overlay, you shoot. Vintage lenses have long, smooth, weighted focus throws that give you control. Modern autofocus lenses simply cannot match. With a little practice, it stops being a limitation and starts being one of the best parts of shooting. If this is the kind of deep, independent camera content you want more of, subscribe right now and join the community. You can support the channel as a core member for $5 a month or an elite partner for $10 a month. Links are in the description. Every bit of support keeps AltBuzz free from brand sponsorships and honest about what actually matters in photography. Now, here is where the story gets cinematic. Professional cinematographers have known about Leica R glass for a long time, not as a budget hack, but as a deliberate creative choice. Specialty companies exist specifically to rehouse vintage Leica R lenses into professional cinema housings. PL mount compatible, follow focus ready, deployed on multi-million-dollar productions. The optical elements stay exactly as Leica designed them, just repackaged for the film world. The same lens you might find for $400 shares its optical DNA with glass used on professional film sets. That is the industry quietly acknowledging what these optics can do. Modern cinema lenses chase technical perfection, but cinematographers still reach for vintage glass because they want what perfection cannot give them. The way a vintage lens embraces flare instead of suppressing it, the graceful roll-off of highlights, the warmth in skin tones that feels biological rather than digital. These are not flaws. These are the qualities that make an image feel human. Take two setups out at golden hour. Same body, same light, same settings. One modern professional prime, one vintage Leica R lens on a $20 adapter. The modern lens delivers technically stunning results. Extreme resolution, clean, correct, controlled. Beautiful in the way a spreadsheet is beautiful. On the vintage glass, something different happens entirely. Shadows hold texture, highlights taper softly instead of clipping, skin tones carry warmth that needs no color grade. Background blur blooms organically at the edges, the way film stock used to. And when light catches the front element at an angle, instead of a suppressed geometric shape, you get atmosphere. Long, soft streaks, gentle halos, the feeling of a real moment. Footage through vintage Leica glass reads as cinematic without any grading at all. It is why filmmakers who discover this hack stop reaching for film emulation presets. The glass is already doing what the presets were always trying to approximate. All of that for under $500. There is a principle every serious photographer eventually arrives at. Usually after replacing one too many camera bodies. You date the camera body. You marry the lens. Bodies are defined by their era. The sensor of today gets surpassed in 4 to 5 years. Autofocus improves. Codecs change. Bodies depreciate fast. But a great lens is a different kind of object entirely. No battery, no firmware, no software that can become obsolete. Just glass elements in a metal housing, built to tolerances that do not expire. Invest in glass. Upgrade bodies when it makes sense. Carry your lenses forward into every new generation of camera technology. With a simple adapter, the glass you buy today does not belong to any single ecosystem. It belongs to you. The soul of the Leica look was never in the body. It was always in the glass. A Summicron R 50mm. An Elmarit R 35mm, a $20 adapter. That is all it takes to transform your modern mirrorless camera into something that stops looking digital and starts feeling cinematic. The cheat code was always there. Now you know where to look. If this video gave you something, drop a super thanks right here. $2 to $100. And every bit keeps AltBuzz independent. Membership links and the full gear list are in the description. Subscribe if you have not already and drop a comment below. Are you hunting down Leica R glass this year? I want to read every single one. Sometimes the future of the image is not waiting to be built. It is already here, buried in a camera bag from 1983, waiting for someone who understands that the best glass was never obsolete, it was just overlooked. This is Alt Buzz. Stay curious, stay ahead, keep chasing the light.